Hi again everyone, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. My name is Kevin Burns and I've been doing Airbnb since 2015. I regret that I didn't start earlier because of all the money I've left on the table due to that. I started in 2015 as kind of an experiment. I'd heard that it was good, but I didn't believe the hype, maybe like some of you feel today. I'm not sure, but so I started with one room in a house in Japan, and just opened, for May, and I gave a discount just to see if anyone would come. Well, we were pretty much full for May, so I thought, wow, there's something to this. So I decided to really go for it. We now have 2 guest houses and 5 listings. So we offer rooms or full guest houses, like a full suite. And I often read on the internet people talking about different short-term rental systems, but I truly believe that Airbnb is the best, and I have tried others. And one thing that you should know about Airbnb is that they offer very good software, and they only take 3% of your profits, which is pretty darn good, unless you're going to set something up yourself from scratch. But then you risk not getting paid at times. There's always that risk with people staying. But with Airbnb, if people want to use the service, they have to treat you well. They have to pay their bills. So I like the backing of the big company with the good software. You have $1 million in insurance, and yeah, it's just a very good progressive company. So by listing on Airbnb, you are listing really with the Mercedes-Benz of the travel industry, or I often say the YouTube of the travel industry. It's huge and it's getting bigger and bigger. The brand is famous, needless to say. I think it's well respected in general. Yeah, there are problems here and there, but I think people in general like Airbnb. Some people love Airbnb. There are other services. One of them starts with a B, but I will never ever list with them. Some people actually cloned our listings and put them there, and it was very difficult to get them removed. So some of the other services tend to be scammy, or their software is clunky, or they take too big a chunk out of your profits, and some of them just don't get any guests. So I've tried 3 others at times, and yeah, just none of them compare to Airbnb. So what are your goals? One of my goals, I'm 58 now, and I would like to retire. So actually I could retire today. We're making enough money with Airbnb that I could retire. We make anywhere from about $30,000 to $50,000 a year with 2 guest houses. We probably could make more. I allow a lot of time between bookings for cleaning. I don't want to work too hard. I don't want to be too busy or too stressed with this. So, and my cleaning staff is busy. I've got a cleaning staff. So I could probably make more than that. But yeah, I'm comfortable with it. I love to travel, so this business allows me to do that. How about you? What do you want more time for? Gardening, visiting your grandkids, being a digital nomad. I think this kind of business can help you do any of those things or all of those things.